Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account in Singapore. To begin, simply navigate to the official PayPal Singapore website. You'll then need to decide whether you require a personal or business account, depending on your usage. Once you've made your selection, provide your mobile number for a quick and secure verification process. This initial step is straightforward and sets the foundation for your new account, ensuring a smooth setup from the very start. Next, you'll enter your full name, email address, and create a strong, unique password to protect your account. It's crucial to agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement to proceed. Following this, PayPal will send a verification link to your email inbox. Make sure to click this link promptly to confirm your email address, which is a vital security measure to activate your account fully and securely. Now, it's time to link a financial instrument to your new PayPal account. You can choose to connect either a local Singaporean bank account or a valid credit or debit card. Simply follow the clear on-screen instructions to securely confirm your chosen method. This essential step allows you to seamlessly send and receive money, making your PayPal account fully functional for all your online transactions. Finally, you might encounter a few additional verification steps required by PayPal Singapore to ensure the highest level of security. Once these are complete, your account is ready. You can now explore PayPal's extensive features, such as sending money to friends, shopping securely online, or even sending invoices for your business. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind that comes with secure online transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.